Hi guys, Goofy Newfie here. Welcome to the Goofy Review. Today I am telling you guys how to make a lot of money quickly in Fishing Planet. There's a lot of people out there, a lot of videos and a lot of forums and stuff for Fishing Planet telling you about different locations where you can go and catch different fish and make good money. Thing about it is all these locations you have to spend money to go to. Why not just stay in the very first location, Lone Star Lake? The very first location in the map. It costs you absolutely nothing to go there. All you need to do is take a good spoon or bass jig and fish for spotted bass. You only require it, I think it's 0.88 pounds. And you get $100. But what you fill your net on a good day, you can make quite a bit of money there. Like my net right now, I can hold 15 pounds or so. I can make well over $1,700 or more one go at that lake, just catching those spotted bass. So I don't see why you should spend a fortune and go somewhere else unless you already have a lot of money and you want to go somewhere else and catch the better, bigger fish and still make money. Then go ahead. But if you're low on cash and you really need to bust your butt making some cash, take it at the first place, take a good spoon and cast the shit out of it and catch yourself some spotted bass. I hope you enjoyed this how to make money in Fishing Planet. Bye-bye, guys.